So so if even Hello everyone, how are you? Today we will be talking about how to de-stress after a stressful day at work, or how to have a calming and relaxing evening routine. So number 1, you must have a house help. You must have people who help you at home chores, or at least a help from outside if you have a stressful job and you are planning to continue it for a few more days, months or years. You cannot do all the home chores alone. If you try to do it, the only result is going to be stress, depression and anxiety. Please do not overtry yourself. Don't overexhaust yourself. Take some help. Talk openly, at least till this situation is gone.
Where this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now.
After seeing it myself, said the artist, leaving the doors and left.
So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction.
Number 2 and most important, unplug from your office phone. If required, keep another phone for your personal conversations, calls, WhatsApp. Do not use your office number after coming back. If it is a stressful job, I understand that you are being forced to do certain things, but be very, very vocal about your closing hours. If it is your closing hours, it is your closing hour. Exhausting yourself and doing overwork for an organization which is not able to take care of your mental and emotional well-being is a total waste. Trust me, I am talking about it with experience that you always end up in a better job if you work hard. Number 3. Do things which relaxes you to the core. Yes, you can do things like warm bath. You can take showers so that you feel relaxed. There is nothing so refreshing as taking shower. Since it is winter time, you probably will not like doing that, so maybe you should just give a proper face wash to yourself. If you can do something extra like scrubbing or a face pack, that will give you extra refreshment. Else you can skip it for winters, but try to ensure that you do take showers when you're back from office in summers. That gives you a different kind of relaxation. Trust me, when you take shower, you don't only clean your physical body, but there are a lot of more vibrations and negativities that clears after taking shower. Eat heartful. If you had a tough day at work, ensure that when you are back at home, you eat heartful food. Food that relaxes you, makes you feel good once in a while, is not a guilty pleasure. You can definitely indulge in your favorite food after coming back from a stressful day. It does not mean you do unhealthy eating every day, but if it is a really tough day for you, cook a nice meal for yourself, treat yourself, spend quality time with your kids.
So when you stop
important.
paying so much
Switch off that
attention,
phone, switch off the emails,
when you're moving
and
in
spend
another
quality time with your
direction.
kids. Kids and
Don't
pets
worry, I
have
get
this
it.
tremendous energy that has the power to take away any kind of stress and any kind of negativities. So with heart, with your presence, just be present in that moment. Play with your kids. You can even talk to them about having a tough day and just listen to their innocent answers. You will be amazed at how lucky you are. Get a hug. Ask your partner to give you a hug. Ask your daughter to give you a hug. It works wonder. There's nothing like a heartwarming hug because it passes the energy of compassion. When you really are stressed, when you don't know what is the next thing to do, when you have made a mistake at work, anything like that, all you need is a nice warming hug, and that is all. You won't always get it without asking, so go for it. Ask for a nice hug, and trust me, it will make you feel better. Foot and head massage. It is magical. Do not underestimate the power of massaging your own feet. have some lukewarm oil and massage your feet properly. Our feet, it takes the weight of our entire body throughout the day. It is a nice and lovely way to show thanks to our feet, and all the nerves of our entire body and brain is attached here. And if you give it a nice massage, you will feel really relaxed. So you don't need others to massage your feet. You can do it yourself, and it is just the feeling, the amazing feeling that you get after that is just speechless. You got to experience. Take a day off. Absolutely. If it is something that you're not able to bear, you need a day off for your mental well-being, and that is absolutely your right. I'm a firm believer of mental health and emotional health. There are no organizations which give you such leaves, but this is very, very essential. It is your life, your mind, your body. You got to take care of it. So take a day off without any guilt. Develop a habit of happy weekends. See, when you are tired throughout the week, you had tough days at work, ensure that your weekends are full of love, compassion, comfort, entertainment. Do whatever makes you happy. Do not let your weekends be completely consumed by home chores. You can balance it between Saturdays and Sunday. There are lots of organization videos on and planning videos online. You can just watch them. They are just super fantastic. You can take tips from them. Do not immerse yourself in home chores. Even if it is a week where you don't want to work, just leave it where it is, and just live that day, that weekend for yourself and for your family. Go out, eat out, do whatever makes you happy. Just live the weekend so well that you're totally prepared for the next day.
E for egg, E for elephant, egg for fish, egg for flower.
I never wanna look at a house in the
Strategize
dark.
and plan.
I never wanna
Once
lock
the
you
entire
down.
stress series
I
is
know you're
over,
not mine,
pen
it's
down
just
your
my
feelings,
turn, but we
pen
can
down what
still have
exactly
fun for
happened, pen
now.
down what you could have done to make it better, and handle this situation strategically. List down what was your mistake very, very honestly, and ensure you don't do that again. If it was not your mistake, strategize, write down what answers you're supposed to give to the concerned person next day. Be prepared, do your homework, and that is all. Forgive yourself if it was a mistake you made, if it was a tough day, if you could not get something completed, if somebody blamed you for some mistake happened. Just forgive yourself and forgive them as well. There are not a lot of people who understand the value of these emotions and emotional health, but you do it, right? You stand by yourself. And let yourself know that it is all right. One tough day does not mean that you're bad.
Don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look.
Pen down your good qualities. Pen down what are the excellent skills in you related to
You're
your
not
work and
mine,
in
it's
your
just my
personal
turn.
life.
We can
Pen
still
down
have
what
fun
are
for
the
now.
beautiful things in your life. Because if your personal life is beautiful, you do not need to be, shattered by what happened at work. So life is the biggest circle, and career is one small but important part of this circle, as we say, subset of this entire life. So you cannot confuse it with life. Don't think that your career is everything, and if it is not there, nothing will happen. If you are talented, everybody is talented. Everybody has a talent and a skill set which suits in a particular direction or in a particular area. You might not have found your passion yet, but you will gradually. So believe in yourself. Know that your life is beautiful. You're blessed with a beautiful family. Say thanks to God for, a complete healthy body that you're living in, for a healthy mind, for a healthy life, for amazing parents you have, for the lovely kid you have. Say thank you to God. And that stupid job that you're talking about that is making you worried and stressful throughout the day, well, it is not worth so much of pain and so much of attention. Last but not the least, you must find your way out of this job. If this job continuously makes you feel stressful, disrespected, insulted, it is time that you move out. Believe in your skills. You have been in this for a job long time. Believe in your skills. Refresh your skills if required. Start job hunting right now. So that if you spend 2-3 months down the line, you will find an appropriate job and you'll be able to leave the job gracefully. Else, if the situation is extremely worse, it's leading to anxiety and you're not able to face it, leave it. Not all battles are yours. You don't need to fight all battles and win. There are battles which are not yours, and if it is not your battleground, leave it. You will definitely find something which is better than this. I would like to leave this conversation on the note that everybody is meant to excel in some or other field. If it hasn't been your day or your career point, it's absolutely alright. Do not overstress. What matters is you. What matters is your happiness. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Do share it with your friends who you think might like this video as well. There are several other videos on my channel. Please check them as well. And as I always say, please subscribe to my channel. Each and every subscriber makes a huge difference in my life. Both of us can help each other in progressing every day. Me through my videos and you by subscribing to my videos. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.